How to pay Atome using Gcash. Now, this whole process is very basic and very easy thing to do. All you have to do at first is just open up your Atome application that you have on your device. Just simply access your billing copy. Under your billing copy, just simply take down note of the reference number from your Atome. Now open your Gcash account and log in using your 4-digit PIN. And then in here, just head straight into bills or bills and payments. And then under search biller, simply type in or look for Atome. Now you only have 3 fields to input. The specific amount at the very top part, and then the reference number indicated on your Atome billing, your full name, and the email address that you have for both apps. From here, you can choose to agree to pay 0 and get G Insure Bill Protect, or you can get 36 months of coverage. So this is just an additional feature that Gcash is offering you. If you're not interested on this, just simply leave it blank and then just hit on next. Once you hit on next, you will be provided a receipt stating that you have completed the payment. And that's how you pay Atome using Gcash.